We are going to Walmart.
Excited?
Yes.
What do you think you're gonna get on your balls?
I don't know. I hope I get an egg first. Hi, I'm going to open my mini fridge.
You have a light? Like a real fridge?
Oh, it's little oranges. For the eggs. A little soda. There's a little shovel. Oh, looks so cute. I'm going to open my first ball. It's filled in my fridge. Wait. The magnet. This is the magnet. I'm going to put it on the fridge. First magnet. Little soda. Fishy. Sausage, really soft. This is big. It feels big. A fruit tray. This is how it looks like inside. This is the fruit tray. It looks like inside. It's really cute. Ooh, juice. Yum, yum, yum. Mac and cheese. This is what it looks like inside. We're going to open our second ball. That was fresh. Wow, we can already see inside. And the back. It's so cute. Look, it's so small, so cute. Chips, yay. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, real chips. Peanuts. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, that looks yummy. Sweet. Lollipops. Popsicles. Oh, it's so cute. It's a really popsicle. Ooh, you can make your own jelly. You just have to open the jar. The creation out like Eben. Ooh, yummy. And we have one magic. Look at the chip. Yum. I'm still collecting some more. I need the eggs. I need the eggs.